So what is syntax? Syntax defines a set of rules for writing programs. Every language specification defines its own syntax. A Dart program is composed of variables and operators, classes, functions, expressions and programming constructs, decision making and looping constructs, comments, libraries and packages, type defs, data structures represented as collections or can be generics, etc. This whole the combination of this whole thing composed will be inside in our Dart script. Okay, let me explain this hello world example. Here main function is a predefined method in Dart. This method acts as an entry point to the applications. Our Dart scripts need the main method for execution, and here the print is a predefined functions that print the specified strings or value to the standard output. Therefore it can be in terminal. The output of this code will be this hello world. You can execute a Dart program either using your terminal or you can use any IDE. If you're using your terminal, just navigate to the path of the current project and then open your command prompt and write Dart, the ART, and the file name with extension Dart. And this will run your Dart script. Then, if you're using your IDE, then there is another thing. You can just press your play button like this, or you can either use Ctrl Shift F10 to execute your Dart script. And then comes your identifiers in Dart. Identifiers are the names given to elements in a program like variables, functions, etc. The rules for identifiers are identifiers can both characters as well as your digits. However, the identifier cannot begin with a digit. This is some rules which you have to follow when you are using identifiers in Dart. Identifiers cannot include special symbols except for underscore or a dollar sign. Identifiers cannot be keywords. I'm going to show you the list of all the keywords in Dart programming language in this video only. The identifiers must be unique, with case sensitive, and cannot contain spaces. These are some examples for valid identifiers and invalid identifiers. You can write first name like this, first name, then num1 and dollar result. These are valid identifiers. Here V is capital, that's where it is. Invalid identifiers, here is a space, here is a hyphen, and the identifier cannot be started with number. So this is our invalid identifiers. Now this is some keywords in Dart programming language which have special meaning in the context of a language. So approximately, let me count how many keywords in Dart programming language. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 5. Approximately, there are 55 keywords which is currently supported by Dart programming language. Here, I told you that Dart is case sensitive. This means Dart differentiates between uppercase as well as lowercase characters. Statements should be end with semicolon. Each line of instruction is called statement, and each Dart statement must end with a semicolon. A single line contains multiple statements. However, this statement must be separated by your semicolons. In Dart programming language, you can use two types of comments: single line comments and multi-line comments. For single line comments, just put double slash, and for multi-line comments, just put slash star and your comment, and then at the end of your comment, just put it star, then again slash. This is for multi-line comments. So this is all thing which I discuss basic Dart programming language. From now my other videos I'm going to have data types, then variables and so on. We will going to learn Dart programming language in very detailed manner.